Here we go. Finally got to it. It's either been too cold or we've been moving or it's either raining. But finally got it all the way primed. Had to use a couple different cans just to make it work. Come back and finish it all out one color. And then come back, flange and weld. Flanging and welding the dude down there still. Got another one right there. Got it cut out, put in a whole new dog leg. The trunk is junk, too bad. But yeah, finally starting to come along. Sucks been away so long. But yeah. Get the other body guy in here next week. Go ahead and get that spot cleaned up. Get started on another spot. We'll be on to doing the underside next. Get all the bearings and bushings and everything like that taken care of. It's gonna be nice. Gonna be real nice.